queen and princess. The princess said, well, today I am going to the royal ball with my mom. But the mom said, honey, you don't have enough money yet. I will get a prince to help. Well, I'll go to the ball with you, but I'll have to pay.
Okay, Mom. I don't want to climb the...
No,
I'm the prince.
no, it's not your part yet.
Oh.
It's almost time to set the royal ball, Mom. It is time. Here you go. But then a lovely prince came, and the princess danced with the prince. Honey, time to go.
Okay, goodbye, Prince. Goodbye.
Hey, everyone.